You need help? Okay, come here.
I got it. I gotta get this nail brush.
Can you drive there? Whee! Now you crash. Can you going back in the hallway? Alright.
Mommy, I can't go.
Why? Oh, you're stuck. Look at John, kid. John is stuck.
Mommy, I can't go.
Need help? What's that?
My tire was flat there.
Look at that.
Mommy, my tire is flat.
It's mushy now.
Mommy, my tire